Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how we can buy items from Save for Later tab. So, if you are into Flipkart and if you are going to cart, this cart will be showing empty, but definitely your Save for Later will be filled off if you have already placed some items in Save for Later tab. If you want to buy straight away from this, how you will buy? You have to move the item whichever you want to buy from the Save it later to cart. So now I would like to buy this Tokyo Takis women line green. Just make this item move to cart initially, then this has come to cart and now place order. Just going to place order, it will ask you, show you the address which you want to send, or you can change the address always and you can add the new address also. It will show you which item you are buying and try another address is not there. So currently out of stock, that's why it is showing like this. Go back if you want to buy something else, buy it, or otherwise simply 1 minute. I'd like to see this item I'd like to buy. Okay, if it is available, just place order. It will show you address. Yes, it is available. This item is not available, but this one is available. The second item. Go to continue and yes, continue. Right. It will ask you for payment option, which you can pay always by using credit card, debit card, gift cards, or you can always pay cash on delivery also. Thank you so much for watching this video. I think it will be helpful to you. Please comment in the comment section and kindly subscribe the channel, like and share the video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.